What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday, the 8th of June. We are going to take a look at Aerodrome Finance this morning as prices continue to be weak, playing our levels like a fiddle. Guys, Bitcoin still not quite ready to break out. It tried once again, got pushed back down. It's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. Hey, if you have not checked out the XRP video, which should be out before this one, check that out. XRP is in a critical moment as well. Check that out. This is the Aerodrome Finance, ticker symbol AERO, USD chart, daily chart. Coinbase is the price data here. Let's take a zoom in here and see what's going on. We have a decent amount of red here on this Saturday morning, this Saturday, June 8th morning here. Couple levels we're going to talk about here for the Aerodrome chart. So we found support at our 106.42 a few days ago. Okay, right here on the 25th of May. Little recovery on the 26th. Let's see here. What's going on here? No, the dates are all wrong. The 4th of June. Sorry, we found support. The 5th of June, we were up slightly, and then we failed again on the 6th. So real quick, when I talk about these levels, they can act as areas of resistance. They can act as areas of support for a period of time. Sometimes they mark a bottom. Sometimes they mark a top. Sometimes they only last for a day or even a couple hours, okay? So you could see if we do a quick recap here, the 30th of April, where did our lows come in? Right at 85,200, 84,760. And that was a low for the period of time of, it's still holding as that low. Okay. And that was let's see here. What was their dates there? The 30th of April? 30th of April. Where did our highs come in here? Right here at, let's see, between 128. That was actually the level, and 128,300. And those weren't tested again until over here on the 27th of May. So, although we did find support at 106.42, it only lasted for 2 days, and then we failed and closed below it on the 6th of June. Let's go to yesterday, the 7th of June. We actually turned 106.42 into a level of resistance. You can see we traded up through it, closed below it, obviously. That's resistance. We also found 98,224 as support. We traded below it, closed above it. We played these two ranges like a game of ping pong, okay? One opponent over here, one opponent over here. One's 98, one's 106. We bounced off each level and closed in between. And now, today, we're trading at 98,301. We are just above, not by much, the 98,224 level right here. Will it hold? It might hold for a little bit. We don't know. But that's an area I would be keeping an eye on today for price support. If you go into the 3-minute time frame, okay, this is on tradingview.com. This is a free service. Here is our little bounce here at the 98,224. And we are just above it. We're fading quickly here this morning, this Saturday morning. So next potential bounce here at 98,224 is we're very, very close. Let's go back to the daily. Back to the daily chart, guys. All right, so if this does fail today and we break lower, we want to keep an eye on these lows right here, which are the 14th of May. Those lows would be 87. Okay. If we undercut that, we're heading to, let's see, 85.20, I believe is the level. 85.20 right in here. That's this red line on the chart. 85,200, 85.20 is the level. Right below that is an 84,760 and an 84,494. They're all very close to each other, so we should find ourselves in that area if we break 98,224 and continue to head lower through the day. Once again, keep your eyes on this low, which is 87. If we continue to trade lower, look at the same level, 85.20, where the lows found support right here on the 30th of April. Okay, so we are making lower lows and lower highs. So we have a lower low, support lasted for 2 days, a lower high. We have another lower low. We'll see if support can last for any amount of time besides yesterday. So far, we are just above it here this morning, guys. So trends are lower right now for Aerodrome, and all we can do is, you can manage your risk, which you should have done before entering a position, and we can just watch these levels for price reactions. So 98.224, 87, 85, 20. Okay, that is that. In a perfect world here, okay, for the bulls, we want to see a bounce from 98.224. We want to get us back above 106.42. We want to see support turn in at 106.42, and we want to head back up to the 128 level. That's for now. We'll have new price levels on here if the trend does change here, but right now we have a short-term trend, which can turn into a long-term trend, but a short-term trend to the downside. Let's see if 98.224 holds today, or does it flip into resistance, which tells us that the likelihood of prices going lower are higher than the likelihood of prices going higher. That's all it means, guys. So that's Aerodrome Finance. No price predictions. Just got to keep an eye on 98.224, 85.20, 87, 106.42 above the market. And I don't think we'll get that high, but 128 on the market as well. Guys, something very interesting is happening right now in Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin, we had a pretty ugly day yesterday. We had a bearish engulfing candle yesterday, but Bitcoin is on the cusp of a massive breakout. If the trend can get back up, we need to break above 71,335 and then 73,494. If that takes place, we could see a significant rise in Bitcoin, taking it up right around to the six-figure mark. Okay, we have a target up there at 96,626. So from current prices, that's about a 40% move higher. And I think that could happen pretty quick without any problems. If Bitcoin, it's a big if, can get back above 71,335, 73,494. And when it does, and if it does, it could be a massive, massive breakout. This is a very large consolidation with a lot of energy. And when it's ready, it's tried 1, 2, 3, basically 4 times. It's tried to break out and it's still being pushed back down. So we'll see how much longer it goes and if it can happen. But we could see a 6-figure Bitcoin here this year if the price can break out. Look at the NVIDIA chart for an idea of what's possible when you see a pattern like this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. Of course, not financial advice. You guys have a great day.